Hey, what chemical are you spraying?
Oh, I'm just spraying Mirex on my crops. Mirex should be good for these fire ants that keep destroying all my crops.
What is Mirex?
I don't really know too much about it. The chemical formula says it's C10CO12 on this bottle. It also says it has a KOC of 5794 and it's classified as a non-mobile substance. I wonder what that means.
That's interesting. That means that it's extremely stable in the environment. It does not break down very easy.
Oh, well, that would make sense because it says it has a half-life of 10 years. I wonder if it's healthy for the environment.
What's up, Dave? What are you doing?
Hey, Tom. Oh, I'm just watching the game.
Can I join you?
Yeah, come on, sit down. Oh,
What's
Hey,
up,
Bill.
Dave? What's up, Tom?
What's up?
oh, we're just watching the game. What you got there?
I got this fish. I'm eating it from Dave's local pond.
Oh, for my pond, that's pretty cool. Oh my
No!
gosh, no!
What happened?
What? Oh, what happened to Bill? No! So, do you know how to do an autopsy?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Oh, look right here. It looks like it affected its hepatic and endocrine system.
Oh yeah, whatever substance got him must have caused him these direct effects such as liver-cytomegalomy, fatty metamorphosis, angiosatitis, and a little bit of thyroid cystic follicles.
Look right here. Looks like he may have developed some type of cancer over there, too.
Oh, whatever substance he took must have been a probable carcinogen, or a carcinogen at least. Hey Tom, what do you got there?
This is water from your local pond. This is where Bill got his fish from.
Oh really? Ooh, what are those little things inside of it?
Looks like suspended particles of an insoluble solution.
Ooh, that's something that smelled bad when it got Bill.
Yeah, it must have bioaccumulated in the fish he ate earlier.
Oh, I wonder what that means. Do you know any other properties of that thing?
Well, check this out.
Did you just dump into a pot of soil?
Yeah. It binds to the soil really strong, so it must be a really bad environmental hazard. Check it out.
Oh, well, I wonder what it could be. Well, anyway, what does bioaccumulation even mean?
Well, it means... Alright, so this is bioaccumulation. So we have the small fish at the bottom of the food chain. We have the large fish at the top of the food chain. And how bioaccumulation works is that over the span of the food chain, toxins and other pollutants will increase as it goes through the food chain. So at the top fish will have the most toxins and pollutants. That's all the fish here. And here you can see almost like a pyramid of the incretion of pollutants and other chemicals that are in the fish. So as it goes from xyloplankton, zooplankton, fish, mammals, and then the top mammals, it go over time just increases to the top predator right here, and they have the most.
Hey, what do you got there, Tom?
After long, countless nights of no sleep, trying to figure out the murder of our friend Bill, I think I figured it out. The pinpoint.
What is it?
It's Mirex!
Wait, you mean the stuff I was spraying in my lawn?
Exactly the stuff you're spraying in your lawn. You killed Bill!
No, it couldn't be me. It can't be me. It can't.
It must be.
What?
That's real.
It can't be me. No, it can't be. It can't be.
Police!
Oh no! What?
Hands behind your back! I'm taking you away for using Mirex poisoning.
Oh,
Let's go. Let's go.
I'm not talking until I've spoken with my lawyer.
What do you think you're doing?
I don't know what I did. I mean, I was just using Mirex. I didn't know it was that bad.
You didn't know? It's a dirty dozen, aka a persistent organic pollutant.
Well,
It classifies as a type 2 toxin according to the HWO.
so then, how toxic is it? Like, how bad can it be?
Well, it can be really bad. If we take out this whiteboard I made,
Well, what do all those numbers mean?
well, it shows the facts. So we have the LC50 in rats is 235 milligrams kilogram. LC50 in birds is 2,400 milligrams kilogram. The LC50 in fish is 100 milligrams liters. The EC50 in aquatic vertebrae is 0.1 milligram liter. The EC50 in algae growth is 0.1 milligrams liters, just like aquatic vertebrates.
So what do all these words mean, though? What does moderate and low mean?
Well, these are the danger levels right here. So it shows you got moderate, low, low, moderate, low. And the moderate is not good. The lows are better, but the moderates are really, really not good.
So what could have gotten Bill? Would it be the aquatic invertebrates?
Well, it really mostly affects shrimps and other type of crustaceans the most. Thus, it bioaccumulates to Bill's fish that he ate. Mirex is really dangerous through ingestion.
Well, I mean, can you search up? Maybe it could be something else. Maybe it could have reacted with something else.
Let's look it up. I'll bring up my computer. Mirex does not react with other environmental contaminants. It's unreactive to nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrofluoric acid, chlorine, ozone, and other types.
So does that mean my direct usage of Mirex on my lawn could have caused the death of Bill? Well, is there any other way that my sentence might be cut? My charges might be shorter?
You're lucky that Bill was older and not a young child. Younger animals that were studied show greater effects of developmental and nervous system mutations when exposed to Mirex by ingestion. It is unknown to humans, but it might follow this pattern.
So that means Mirex must be more toxic to younger animals and younger mammals and possibly younger humans.
That's enough time.
Okay.
Time for your prosecution. Let's go.
Order in the court, order in the court. What is your prosecution?
You used illegal Mirex on your lawn that led to the death of Bill.
Hey, how do you know I was the instigator of Bill's death?
Objection! This Mirex bottle.
The evidence? No!
This was used on Dave's lawn. This bottle of Mirex has this chemical structure. This here is the chemical structure of Mirex.
Oh, that's the thing that was written on the side of the bottle.
Exactly. The Mirex that was used entered your pond and was run off on your lawn, and sedimentation of the Mirex into your water. This was the main way Mirex enters the environment. The other way is to waste given off from old Mirex production facilities, but this can be ruled out. Mirex poses not only a direct threat to Bill, but more dangerous in the long run because of its ability to bioaccumulate and last. Remember, it takes 3,000 plus days for Mirex to break down in the environment. That's almost 10 years.
Well, how do you know there wasn't anything else that could have degraded the Mirex? Possibly sunlight could have taken it down.
It is true, sunlight can photodegrade Mirex into many smaller forms, such as 10 monohydromirex, 8 monohydromirex, 5, 10 dihydromirex, chlorocone, and 2 dihydromirex. But I also have one more piece of evidence to bring to the table.
Wait, no you don't. You can't have more.
The pond water from the beginning. It is full of tons of Mirex particles that Bill ended up drinking, which led to his death. And also, if we want to talk about breaking down something, even if it breaks down, the chemicals that are broken down is just as bad as the Mirex alone.
Could have been anything else that would have caused the Mirex.
Well, while Mirex is also used in fire retardant, your usage of it as a legal pesticide is what killed Bill.
Well, what about the cancer that was in the autopsy? Could the cancer have got to him?
Well, actually, I had no cancer for eating the fish. I think the Mirex caused my cancer. Bill is correct. Mirex is classified as a probable carcinogen to humans, which would explain the cancer. I rest my case.
I hereby sentence Dave to 10 to 20 years in prison for breaking the laws provided by the Stockholm Convention in 1978 that banned all 12 of the Dirty Dozen pollutants. You should have used one of the many substitutes as a pesticide, such as carbaryl, deltamethrin, diazenon, diflubenzuron, or sulfamuride. The main advantage of these substitutes is their ability to break down and their low bioaccumulation potential. Should have been using them all along. Court closed.
You, Dave, you're gonna be in jail for a long, long time. Should have protected the environment. Make sure to protect the environment so you don't end up like Dave here.